It's another Monday morning. We all know how those go. I'm at work, so glasses on. I'm not a morning person, but I'm gonna try. Finally off. Today's one of those days where you clock in, clock out, then clock in, then clock out again. If you have a job, you know what I'm talking about. So, yeah, today is a good day. Woo! Monday, huh? Gotta hit up Chipotle after work. But I see this week right here. I know who owns this. So I might prank them. Who knows? I'm gonna put a bunch of paper out, whatever they call them, tissues in his car. Come on, don't leave your windows down next time. See, I got you good now. Now you gotta get me back. Brother! Wakanda forever. Come on, there you are. What happened? You're paying for me?
No, he's paying.
Look at Usman. Hey, Usman's gonna start a YouTube channel soon.
Hey, man, it's all about fitness though.
Yeah.
We gotta beat him up.
Hey, Sam, hurry up, we gotta run.
What the hell? Bro, take all this stuff from me. You put all this napkins in my car, bro. What are these for, man? Next time I see your car, it's gonna be a different color. I'm spray painting.
Hey, you spray paint my car? I know where you work.
I know where you live too.
I'm gonna order for food and you're gonna have to deliver it with DoorDash,
look.
And I'll spray paint your car.
Hey, I know your sister, your mom, your dad, you screwed. I know where you live too.
Is that a threat, Usman?
No, it's a promise.
Oh! Oh, okay. Okay. Why does your car not start?
No, the battery's loose. Remember your car? You had that thing on it? That's what I have.
Oh.
See? It literally happens like every day. Nah, David, come here, I'm showing you. See? This thing is not, it's not
you gotta
plugging.
put it on.
So I'm saying, like, it's not tight enough, that's why.
Yeah.
No, it's not tight. I need a screw to make it tighter, so that's why it's not add power to it.
But you have to take it off and put it back on something.
I know.
Yeah. Okay. Gotcha.
My battery's good. It's just the loose thing. He's not playing on YouTube.
You know, it's funny because you're talking all this trash. Next thing you know, your car won't start.
Jason, start here. Watch this. It's gonna start. Jason, here. Start when I say go. Let's find out. Let's find out.
This is how you start Usman's car.
Get him.
Oh God. My man, Usman, what are you gonna do when you're by yourself? You gonna put a You wanna rest my car?
Alright.
You all know who's gonna win, Usman. This car flies, okay?
Alright, let's go over there.
Where?
On the light.
Which one?
I'll take the left lane, take the right lane. Right here.
Nah. What's gonna happen when your battery jumps off? Well, that prank went pretty nice. It's so funny because Usman this man said, Jason, hold the battery.
We're going swimming again.
Watch this. It's gonna start. Jason, here. Start when I say go. Let's find out. Let's find out.
This is how you start Usman's car. Say, Jason, start the car. He went in the back and held the battery, and he was like, Jason, start the car. Oh, okay, so here's what happened. Usman's car cannot start. So he couldn't start and his battery was off. So he had to hold his battery down and ask Jason to start the car. I'm gonna replay it real quick so you can see what happened.
Watch this. It's gonna start. Jason, here. Start when I say go. Let's find out. Let's find out.
This is how you start Osman's car. He was taking all this trash. Next time I see your car, it's not gonna be black anymore. I'm gonna spray paint it. Next thing you know, his car will not start. Oh, that made my day. Off to go swim. Oh my god. Oh, just finished dropping them off. Hopefully they're gonna have fun. I didn't even know. I just got back from work, and next thing I know, hey David, will you take us to work to the pool? And I was like, yeah. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Look at y'all looking ashy now.
I have a bright spot in my vision right there.